best behavior. In your head, you are my savior.
ब्लैक कॉफ़ी मुझे वैसे पसंद नहीं है. आई नॉर्मली ड्रिंक कैपुचिनो या फिर लाटे या फिर मोखा, मतलब जिसमें मिल्क होता है. बट दिस इज ब्लैक कॉफ़ी एंड इट टेस्ट रियली बैड. एंड आई डोंट नो कैसे लोग पी लेते हैं. बट वन थिंग आई कैन डू विद दिस, नॉट दैट आई डोंट लाइक टू ड्रिंक इट, बट आई कैन ड्रॉ विद दिस. सो या, आई जस्ट डू दैट.
Redirect your energy. I know you have enemies, but you have a friend in me. Redirect. 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 Redirect your energy. I know you have enemies, but you have a friend indeed. Redirect. Redirect.
Guys, so we're finally done with the rough sketch. Rough sketch काफी मस्त बना है यार, मतलब it's kind of a new artwork for my Instagram. Rough तो है but बहुत सही बना है. इसको फाइनल बनाने के लिए I still have one step left to go. Actually I want to create a palette using coffee. मतलब कॉफी को ऐसा रेगुलर मीडियम तो है नहीं कि मुझे पता होगा कि कौन से कलर्स में कितनी इंटेंसिटी होगी, कितना डार्क होगा, कितना लाइट होगा. So this is what I want to do before I move to the final sketch. So yeah, let's just do that. Alright guys, so we are finally done with the color palette and it's so good यार. मतलब कॉफी के काफी सारे वेरिएंट्स मैंने बना लिए हैं. So now I can work on the final sketch. So yeah, let's just start working on the final painting.
I don't really have an explanation. So I found a new game to play. Thought I told you to stay away, but I see you're here anyway. So yeah, guess you're welcome to overstay. Just don't build up your expectations. It's not a good time to test my patience. And don't get in these situations, 'cause you're chasing the hurricane, taking a name in vain.
Alright guys, so I'm finally done with the veil and it's looking pretty amazing. The only problem working with coffee is that though I'm working in layers, so एक लेयर को ड्राई होने में बहुत टाइम लग रहा है और अगर कॉफी की कंटेंट बहुत ज्यादा है तो ये पेपर पे ड्राई होने में बहुत टाइम लग रहा है, इससे पेपर मुड़ भी जा रहा है. बट सो फार सो गुड, वेल हो चुकी है. नाउ I'm gonna be working on the astronaut and then our drawing will be finally completed. So yeah, let's just start working on the astronaut.
I forget the time and I don't know their names, but I still hear you laughing like you do in the middle of a crowded place. Never missed a moment, but if memory slips away, as long as it was me and you, I don't care if the rest of it fades. Tomorrow may get lost, but I'll be there with you.
Alright guys, so I'm finally done with the artwork. I hope you enjoyed the video. Now enjoy the video.
As long as I'm with